back blade generator. Part off your tractor. Sickle bar again. One bottom plow. Looks about a 12. Tiller, rear mounted tiller. Backhoe. Looks like it leaks some oil, but I guess it's better than a shovel and a wheelbarrow, which is most of what I knew. Still do, if you watch me with going after stumps and working on retaining walls. I suppose, oh, here's a chainsaw again. Allis Chalmers. Nice paint job. The only reason I say it's a paint job instead of somebody put it away is there's a little bit of orange peel on the engine, and the handles got wear on them. Well, thank you.